Welcome to the GROHE workshop. Today, I will show you how to install the Rainshower SmartActive 310 shower system with the round version shown here in 5 easy steps. First, let's take a look at the tools you will need. The box contains the tab with all connecting parts, the shower rail, the shower arm, the head shower, and the hand shower, including the hose. By the way, taking a look at the instructions, which are also included, certainly doesn't hurt. Now we'll start with the installation. First, install the S connections. A quick tip to start. Screw in the S connections without sealant first and check which position the connections are in when they stick out from the wall, between 36 and 42 millimeters. This ensures that the covers will later be perfectly flush with the wall. The distance between the two connections must be 150 millimeters. Then mark their positions. Next, remove the connections and seal them. Then screw them in again with a spanner until the markings line up. Make sure you don't mix up the right and left connections. Check the position with the spirit level. Marking them prevents having to readjust their positions. Once the S connections are positioned, the gap between the wall and the connections must be filled with a permanently elastic sealant. Quick tip. Water should now be flushed through the connections. This ensures that dirt does not contaminate the tap later. According to regulations, the hot water connection is always on the left, but you should still check since the water is already running anyway. Now place the escutcheons onto the S connections. Then install the thermostat. Check beforehand if the filter is correctly placed as shown in the instructions. During installation, pay attention to the play in the connection nuts to ensure that the thermostat remains level as the nuts are tightened. Check it again with the spirit level and adjust if needed. Once the thermostat is in place, turn the outer escutcheon ring clockwise until it is flush with the wall. The inner escutcheon ring now covers the union nuts and the cover is flush with the thermostat housing. This ensures protection from scalding temperatures at the S connections. Next, we will pre-install the Allen screw in the shower arm. Lubricate the seals and place the shower arm onto the shower rail. Then tighten the grub screw. Now, also lubricate the seal on the thermostat. The shower rail brackets can move here. Connect the brackets to the shower rail and place it onto the thermostat. Depending on the joints, substrate, and existing holes, the shower rail bracket should ideally be placed between 900 and 1000 millimeters. The shower arm can then move. If the bracket is attached between 1020 and 1040 millimeters, the shower arm can no longer move. Now align the pre-assembled shower rail and mark where to drill as shown in the instructions. Please note that the flat section of the bracket must be pointing down before marking. Then remove the pre-assembled shower rail. Before drilling, cover the tap so it doesn't get dirty. Then drill one hole and screw the bracket into the wall. If the backsplash is not tiled all the way up to the bracket, the 8mm tolerance washer can be used for correct placement. Now adjust the height of the shower rail holder and fix with the inside grub screw. Then place the escutcheon onto the bracket and screw in the grub screw. Now install the rail and tighten the grub screw. Finally, press the escutcheon flush with the wall. Next, we will prepare to install the head shower. Insert the filter and the seal into the head shower as shown in the instructions, and attach the head shower to the shower arm, then align in horizontally. Now we will install the shower hose and the hand shower. First, make sure the filter is on the thread side of the hand shower. Then screw the end of the hose with the cone-shaped nut onto the hand shower and tighten it with your hand. Place the hand shower into the holder on the shower rail. Then screw the other end of the hose onto the attachment on the underside of the thermostat and tighten it with your hand. Let's move on to the functional test. Now comes one of the most important steps. To avoid unpleasant surprises while showering, the temperature must be set to exactly 38 degrees Celsius. To do so, remove the thermostat handle, turn on the water, measure, and precisely set the temperature using the blue part. Wait a moment after each adjustment to give the thermal element time to regulate. For additional protection from scalding temperatures, insert the red piece to activate the SafeStop Plus safety feature at 43 degrees Celsius. Now align the marking on the handle with the 38 degrees Celsius marking on the thermostat. Replace the handle and fix it in place. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job is done, there are still a few things left to check. Job done. That was easy. You will manage it too.